What are some great exercises that work the gluteal muscles?
Oh, very specific,
gluteal.
very gluteal. Well, why don't we ask the Build-A-Butt queen?
Okay. So yeah, if you guys don't already know, I have a whole program specifically for the gluteal muscles. And it's called Build-A-Butt that you can do from home. I was hearing from so many people that they wanted to do it, but didn't have access to weights. So I made it not weight friendly so that you can do it from absolutely anywhere. You can also take it to the gym, add weights to it if you want to, but all the exercises you can do in your living room or bedroom, and they're all for the glutes. All the best exercises are in that program, but just to give you a few off the top of my head, like my top maybe 3 favorites are squats, lunges, and like hip thrusters, like otherwise known as a bridge.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I would also throw in there some deadlifts as well.
Oh yeah, definitely good. Those are in the program
But
too.
the thing with, if you really want to focus in on the butt, is you got to contract the butt.
Contract the butt.
So a lot of times when people are doing exercises, they're just going through the motions. They're not actually contracting,
Yeah, it's so
and they're
true.
not focusing on their mind what muscle they want to hit. So when you're coming up in that squat, we need you to like, not necessarily like thrust your hips forward, but just
Tighten.
come forward and tighten up the glutes. Same thing with the deadlift. It's like come
Yeah.
up and then just contract the glutes.
It's kind of funny, but glutes are like the easiest muscle to not contract or to like forget about because
Yeah.
they're behind you. You don't really see them. They're not like a mirror muscle like your pecs or your biceps. So a lot of people just like forget to contract them in their exercises. So yeah, regardless of which exercise you choose, the important thing is that you actually create that tension in the muscle and flex.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Now let's get back to the episode.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep